Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the US dollar index as we are expecting NFP data to come out this afternoon. The NFP data was very good for April, and we are expecting some jobs to kind of suffer through May, but not too much. You know, we're expecting the drop to be around about 180,000. Anywhere between that and 200,000 is always considered good for the US, even if it is lower than the previous month. What's also expected though is the average hourly wages to go up, which is extremely good for the economy, as well as seeing unemployment fall. Okay, so if we see all those three things, then I think the dollar is going to behave very well, and we could see a bounce from this 97 lows all the way back into at least 97.70. The market is currently struggling to get below this 97 area. We said earlier in the week that if price gets below 97.50, we expect to see a deep fall. We had that. Price has bounced back quite well at this point, and it's just sitting really above this $97 area. Now, if we do see any kind of significant fall in the average hourly earnings, or the same, and unemployment to rise, then we're going to have a different situation on our hands. We're going to see the dollar sell off from this 97, and if we do see a weekly break and close below these lows around about that 96.50, then 95 is definitely something, or 95.50 at least, is definitely something we'll see in the future. However, I see this jobs number actually being pretty good, and we should see a rise back into 97.50, where we get some potential technical moves from that point lower. Okay, so if you do trade non-farm payroll, be aware of the other conditions that you need to take into account, such as average hourly earnings and the unemployment rate. You need to combine that not just with the jobs number, because you can get yourself in a tricky situation if you don't consider those. Technically, an average hourly earning rise and a good jobs number will give you some strong US data, just because, if people are getting paid better and the wages are growing, then they're gonna the consumer will spend more money, which only helps an economy out. So be aware of that. Could see a spike back up into 97.50. And if we do see that, then technically we could maybe short the retracement from that. But I'd let the dust settle out of this one and look to get back into trading on Monday, and we'll see what happens from there. But thanks for joining me this week. The market outlook will be in our Telegram channel very soon. We'll wait for the jobs numbers to come in, obviously, and let the dust settle slightly before releasing that, and then fingers crossed we can see some good setups for the week ahead. So thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching the YouTube videos this week. If you are watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe. If you are watching on TradingView, go give us a follow there. Mention what you would be doing at this non-farm payroll, and in YouTube, drop in the comments, how would you trade this non-farm payroll? Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.